Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, how are you all doing? I hope you're all very well indeed. Welcome to another episode of One Man and His Boat, and today we're going to be looking at this. This is the master switch for the boat itself. So if that's something you're interested in, guys, please stay tuned. So guys, it's a cold, damp, miserable day here at Stockton-Cleuch. A little bit like my mood today. Why is that? Because we're in another lockdown. Yes, old Miss Sturgeon, she says, aye, it's about time we had another one, I think. No, only joking guys, only good joking. Basically the stats have been going through the roof here in Scotland and she had to do something, so we're all on another lockdown, but I think it is definitely necessary to keep our loved ones safe. So do what you can, do as you're told, stay at home and save the NHS. That's obviously for the people of the UK. Everybody worldwide, just do what you have to do, but do it safely. Today, right, we're getting on with this, which is the master switch. And I'll tell you a wee bit about my little boo-boo in a second. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, time to tell you about my little boo-boo. We're always making them, especially here on One Man and His Boat. Whilst I ordered the boat, I ordered parts at the same time, not knowing what was afore me, which is probably the wrong way to do it, guys. Trust me, get the boat first, figure everything out, because the sizes are completely different, hence the size of this. It's one of those things. In the catalogue, it looked lovely and small, everything was on the right wording for Barry, i.e. heavy duty. And I thought, yes, that's perfect, until it arrived, and then I seen the size of it and I thought, oh my god, what have I got here, a 60 footer? So, as you can tell, it's over and above what we need for the Lindsay B. So what we have here is a Perco 400 amp master switch. Now you can get different variants on these, you can get one with 1, 2 and both. Now what that'll do is you can charge one battery bank, 2 battery banks, or both battery banks at the same time. But for us, we've only got 200 amps max, so all we need is an on-off switch, and that's basically how I want it, is when I finish my day's work, I can go on off, switch the master switch off, and know everything's dead, apart from my bilge pumps, because my bilge pumps are wired directly to the battery, so if anything should happen, at least she'll stay afloat for a little while longer. So guys, all we've got to do now is actually figure out where we're going to put this on the boat. Right guys, before we actually go and fit this master switch, I wanted to give you a quick explanation about what's happening at the back here. Now as you can see, we have 3 studs. We've got number 1, number 2 and common. Now number 1 and 2 are joined up together on the inside, so they act as one or completes a circuit. And these 2 are your main feeds from your batteries. Now your common is your lead to your starter motor, and it is to your positive feed for your electronic side. These 2 little studs here, it's basically for your alternator. There's a safety thing inside. If the switch is switched off while the engine's still running, it will protect your alternator from damage. So they need to be wired up as well. So I just thought I'd give you a quick run through about what's happening in here. I don't know how it all works properly. That's obviously for a professional who knows more about electronics than I do. After all, I'm just a fisherman. Right, okay, let's go and see where we can fit this. Right guys, I'm very sorry for the lighting in here. It's winter time working. Right, I think the only best place we can put it is round about there, because once again Barry has boo-booed. That's my shortest wire and that's where it's going. So yeah, so that's my battery feed, because my batteries are running parallel, so that will go to number 1, this one here. And then this one here is my engine one, that goes to the starter motor, so that's in the common, so that's at the lowest point. So if we take that as the lowest point, and then we can put the switch right about there like that. So guys, some of you are probably already shouting at the television screen saying, Barry, why did you make your wire so short? Well, let me tell you guys, it's expensive stuff. It's 70mm squared tinned power cable, and if you had seen the price of it, a lot of you wouldn't be here to tell the tale. I tell you, it's enough to put you in an early grave. If anybody's bought any of the stuff before, you'll know what I'm talking about. So that's why I've had to make do with what I've had, and we're now going to have a low master switch. But it might help in the long run. It might help with security as long as nobody watches this video. So people maybe no find it. So there we go, there's a plus side to everything, eh? I just need to get the rest of it sorted out. But they don't. Yeah. There we are. Right. Right, okay, we've got some sort of wire in there. Next, that'll have to go under there, because that's that side. This is barely going to touch, unless I can bring it up through as well. And then I could go to number one. Ah, that's a better idea. Right, number one is up the middle. To the side, brass or brass, keep that there. Right.
dear. You going in there first. You going in there second. I think that we better go up behind there. That's where my bus bars is going to be anyway. And there we are now. How's that look down there? Oh, that's fine. Right. Oh, drink.
Right guys, I think I'll go quits at that. This vlog I'm not actually feeling that good about because I've not got time for this sort of videos, to be honest. I really need to rattle on with getting things on. So I think this will be the last vlog that I'm going to film for a wee while. So the next time you come back, this should be complete. I'm fingers crossed that's going to be the case, but if not, you never know what happens on one man's boat. Every day is different. I maybe wake up tomorrow fresh as a daisy, ready to rock and roll and get the camera back out again. But there you have it. But don't worry, you will get a vlog next week. It's just that I'm 3 weeks ahead of you now, so I'm just going to rattle on for the 3 weeks and let you catch up a little bit. So you'll not lose a vlog, I swear to God, guys. Right guys, if you like this video, please do the usual, give it a thumbs up because that helps us on YouTube land get out there to other people. Same with subscriptions, do your bit, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Click that notification bell and YouTube will make you feel very special indeed, my friends. Right, until your next vlog, all the very best guys and stay safe.